Hello. Got some things in the mail. I already opened these. Cool little free Olight flashlight. Just had to pay for shipping. This was on sale too. Oh, focus. Neat little pen. It's tiny. Teeny tiny pen. Whoop. Almost got away. This light is rechargeable. And 2 brightness settings. Good little keychain flashlight. Like you can recharge it. Something in the box too. Never had a Spyderco before. Trademark round hole, high performance, ergonomics, blade steel. The edge is a ghost. Yojimbo 2. Holy crap. Alright. Pretty cool. Wasn't sure how I'd like this at first. Now that I've got it, this thing's pretty wicked. Needs a little breaking in. Oop, wife came in and caught us talking. Anyway, this is a cool knife. I like the little backlock mechanism here. Works nice. In the pictures I wasn't sure about the blade to handle ratio. Maybe it just looks weird on camera. It's actually pretty good. Now that tip is really sharp. Oof. Super sharp out of the box. Very nice. This old messed up piece of paper. Well, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing over here. Have a great day.